guys, I want the peanut butter, so I'm just gonna do this. I mean honey butter. Okay, so we have this, and now let's go. Books. So guys, I'm still a kid, so my dad is here. Let's go to school. So guys, I'm at school. At Ilocano we call eskwela. And at Tagalog, paaralan. Okay, let's go! So guys, time to eat!